First, draw a circle on paper. Draw a few more circles. Try to draw a circle. Draw a cross in the circle. On both sides of the circle, draw 2 vertical lines inward. Join the 2 sides. The shape of the head comes out. Draw the neck again. Draw the collar again. Draw the shoulders. Draw the ears on both sides. Draw 2 horizontal lines on the head. Business work. Start drawing hair. Start with bands, extending layer by layer. When drawing the outermost layer, pay attention to the thickness of the hair, then draw the decorations on both sides. Pay attention to left and right symmetry. Let's start to draw the facial features in detail. Draw a simple nose and mouth. Draw the eyes again. Thick upper eyelid, about the same size. Finally, draw the clothes. It's almost time to draft. Finally, erase the draft line. On the basis of manuscript line, go ahead and add some details. Okay, let's go to the music. Painting finished. Did you pay for tuition?